Okay, guys, this is so exciting because we started with Monday having our pre-construction meeting, and then on Wednesday, the surveyors came out, staked out the lot, staked out everything where it's going to go. On Thursday, they ended up digging, and they started digging all the footings. Friday, they put in all the plumbing and got everything ready for that first inspection. We should have concrete poured here in the next few days. This thing is progressing really, really fast, and it's so cool. Let's take a look.